Hi, this is Jamie Coco from GCC and Empowered Social Media, and I'm going to walk you through how to be able to post to Instagram through your Facebook page. All right, so we're going to start off by finding our Facebook page. So we can do that through shortcuts. You can click this and find it here, or you can click the arrow up and then your pages, and you can click here. I'm just going to click this one if you're wishing this view. All right. So I'm going to go to Outdoor Education and Outdoor Leadership at GCC. I'm going to connect those two pages. All right, so I'm going to start here. Now, if I wanted to post something in this exact minute, I would put stuff right in here, add a photo, picture, and post. But what it wants me to do is to have scheduling options. So if I want to do that, I can publishing tool. So I can click this right here, or at the very top in the menu, I can click the more, and then publishing tools. All right, now I'm on Publishing Tools. I got to go under the Tools menu in Creator Studio. Great, so automatically it's going to link you up through Facebook to all the Facebook pages that you are an admin for, or moderator. So I click here, I have 18 different pages that I could be looking at right now. I just want to look at the selection. I had 2. If I want to, I could select the ones that I want. And I'm just going to select Greenfield, Adventure Education and Outdoor Leadership at GCC. I'm just viewing that. Great. So now, if I wanted to create a post through here, through Creator Studio, I click on the Create Post right here. It'll take a second to load. And then boom, the same thing that you saw in the menu before, but now it's going to give you different options. I'm just going to write the word option in here and then see how, instead of just publish now, I have this new menu where I can schedule out instead, or save the draft if I want. So that allows me to schedule at an optimal time between 7 and 10 p.m. at night. It's going to reach more people in your audience. Boom, we're going to get out of that quickly. Now we're going to come over to Instagram. So I've already connected some accounts. You may not have accounts connected through here. So I'm going to check. GCC Adventure Education is all on here. PodCamp Western Mass. There's a bunch of different ones on here already. They have to be business ones. So if, for instance, I don't have mine on the list, right? Nothing's connected, 0's here. I'm going to go to Instagram accounts, just like this. And I'm going to go add Instagram account. So it's going to say, okay. I'm going to bring over, and I just have to log into my Instagram account. So put in your handle and put in your password. Once you put in both of those into it, you're going to hit the login button. Now, once you hit the login button, it's going to give you a couple different directions. It's going to let you know what you're doing, right? What you're getting by doing this and setting it up together, and you accept it. And then it's going to load for you. And then boom, it's going to allow you now to have a connected account. So now that we're in Instagram Creator Studio, I go to Create Post. I'm going to Instagram feed. So if I had video content that I wanted to use, I would use IGTV instead. That's over a minute long. I put in IGTV. But right now I'm just going to show an Instagram feed post. I'm going to pick which page I want to post to. Boom. And then I'm going to have it all set. So I can write my copy in here. If I wanted to, I could tag places. I want to tag regular GCC in here, or I want to tag GCC Fitness in here, right? So I'm trying to connect everything together inside of here. So I can connect that way, and then I can get into hashtags as well. So the way this works is actually better than your usual Instagram interface. If you ever used it before and you try to put hashtags or try to put things, and they're all bundled together, and it's really just cluster. This allows actual spacing to happen. So before you'd have to put like a period right there, or maybe you chose an emoji. So I can grab that, I can grab an emoji, boom, 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 hit 3 emojis to separate the hashtag so it doesn't look so cluttered inside of it. And then I add my hashtags. Or any of the other ones that I think really apply to the brand or apply to the specific page itself. Now when I'm done, I can add location. So Greenfield Community College. Boom. And then I'd add my content in here. So if I wanted to upload an image, we can just go into this folder. Right? If I wanted to upload a bunch of different images in here, I'm hitting the control button, by the way. So I click on the one, hit control button. These are pictures from orientation leaders. This is back when I was an orientation leader. GCC, so hit the open button, and now it's going to load. Now, inside of it, once it loads, you can see there's kind of like some black above and below the picture. You want to try to eliminate that. You want to make it look as native as possible on Instagram. So you're going to click that, and then it gives us an option. You get a square, landscape, or vertical. So we're just going to pick the format that we think fits it well, except you don't want to use for landscape, because it's going to be really, really small on someone's screen. A lot of people are using, or you have to use, really, Instagram mobile, so it doesn't take up enough screen if you do landscape. So you should be either doing square or vertical. Vertical doesn't work, as you can see in this one, so we're doing square for it. Hit the save button, and the same thing, going over here, doing this crazy moving back and forth. I don't know why, but I'm getting out of it. All right, and then I'm going to hit the over. It's me. I'm orienting myself here so it fits in well. So I'm just going through these. Now, he's going crazy too. I'm dancing on screen. So I've set this up. You don't have to do multiple images like I am, but I am doing multiple images because I know that Instagram actually prioritizes. I'm just putting another one in there so it doesn't look blank. Actually prioritizes posts that have multiple images in it. That's all I'm doing, putting multiple images to work with the algorithm. All right, great. If I wanted to post to Facebook as well, I could click this, but I'm not going to at the same time because the picture orientation is going to be different on Instagram. Also, hashtags are not as important and actually can make the post look really messy if you try to add that onto Facebook. So I have that all set. If I'm trying to tag something, inside of here, there's a tag button, tag media. I'm clicking that, and I'm Jamie the coach. Personally, so I can tag myself in it. If I want to tag Empowered Social Media. If I want to tag GCC Fitness. So tagging is really important. Now you can put it in the post itself, and I find that it does help in spreading the post, but when you tag something, it makes a stronger connection between you and that brand account you're trying to tag into it. So if you, on Instagram, if you have like 20 different hats that you can use, I wouldn't do it in a row like this. Maybe you're doing one, trying to spread it out so it doesn't look so clunky inside of it. So I might try to spread it out. If I have 20, that may not make sense for the post itself. That may be something that I'm just tagging into it. So those are some of the techniques you want to think about when you're posting here. And again, now you can use the schedule button, which you couldn't before. So now you don't have to be in a certain time. You can schedule that at 7 p.m. at night. Hit the schedule button and it's locked and ready for you to post. I'm going to get out of this. That's your setup. That's how to use Creator Studio to post on Facebook and post on Instagram at the same time. All right, this has been a lesson with Jamie from GCC and Empowered Social Media. And watch out, some more videos to help you learn and optimize on social media.